Mamaya, magkaaway na sila ni Andrek eh. Yung mga yan eh. Mumute ko na sila. Ikaw na lang umaway.
Ito mo, kaaway ko to yung Magnus. Lagi may loss ako. 5.
Ako ba? Ako ano?
No worries.
85 ping ko? Putang ina.
78 nga sa akin eh. Gagi, cancer ang
Nothing
converge.
down here.
Tang inang yan. Binaha sila. Naku.
Oh, susan.
Hindi, kaya na MK yan. Kung DK yung mid, mas bog sa kanya yan.
What's over here?
Dapat.
DK mid yan.
Hindi na uso offlane DK eh.
Dapat mas bog.
Wanted to
Ay,
go
hindi.
this way.
Bago.
Kaya nagpakita yung bench eh. Offlane
Hindi,
DK.
offlane nga.
Offlane DK nga.
Yeah. Yeah, I see it.
Bago, Sky mid.
Bro,
Mga smart kalaban natin.
Makati yan. Sky mid. Ubus ako dyan.
Time to flush him out.
F ako nyan.
It's how I live. They're bloody asking for it. My tail's a sail. Just follow my tail. Go this way. Time to die. Blood trails.
Patay ka full.
I'm always on the patrol.
Okay na. Ito na ba yung Smurf bench? Ito na ba yung Smurf spec? Pinaghaharas ko lang. Ito na ba yun? Copy?
I'm here. Leave it.
Gagi, naglalag ako, nakakabwisit.
I'm keen.
Sa akin wala pa yun.
That's the one. Hands up. Uh-huh. It's not even my birthday. A reckoning. Ripper. Spruce this up a bit.
Wait lang, Paul.
Don't let him hide me. Nice.
Oh my god, ang lag.
Not here. I know.
Gogo, lupit ng Magnus. Smurf din nata itong putang inan to.
I'm just about knackered. Anyone know where we're going?
Gogo, namatay si MP. Nakagad niya eh.
Did you see a branch move?
Ang lag, gago.
Always on the level.
Yan
Who
ako
we
ako.
fighting? What? This way? You smell something? See my point?
Bad trip kasi, naglalag eh. Patay yun eh.
Inan-convert. Sino? Na araw na.
Yep. Probably the right way. I'll lead the way. Sure. Time to kill something? Pause a peddling.
Gulo Malupit yung Magnus. Authentic siya. Authentic.
This way.
Patay na naman si MK King.
Now I see it.
Bilis mag-dodgeball, wala yung boots ko.
Where's the murder star?
Ay ko be.
This way. What egg?
Just what the
Leave it.
doctor ordered.
I'm on it. I said these things take time. Yeah, don't get a big head. It's how I live. I'll lead the way. I'll get an acorn ready, Magnus. This is bloody epic.
Bogo ka, bogo si MK King.
Honestly, this is hard. Or it's more for fun. We can make a little fort.
Ginagawa niyo mo ngayon.
Pause peddling. Watch it.
Drabol,
Yeah,
patay na sa'yo yan.
I'll suss it. Yeah,
Sama Paul, pagkastan mo.
time to kill
Wala naman
something.
first kill yan eh.
Bogo si MK King, mga idol. Kahit ganun, mga boss. Yun ang magandang bawi.
Disconnected from the fight.
Madaya yung Sky eh.
Ganun talaga sa una. Mahirap. Help daw, kuya. Nangingi tulong. Ay, ba't kasi walang sticks MK? Shit. Tanga rin to MK na po eh.
Oo nga, bakit walang stick? Skyrat kalaban mo eh. Anong gagawin yan? Right clickin ka? Ayun ang magandang nangyari, F9.
What do you reckon?
Para Paul, babalik ka. Yan na.
Just follow my tail. And in the
Ang lag, sobra gagi.
Ripper. Get this thing. Rattle the
Ba't kasi hindi si Spec?
I usually like
Get bakit ganito yung converge. Tara kuya, ay ano, Paul sa pa.
Nakabawi, nakabawi.
Stop me.
Patay yan.
Trying.
Your middle tower is defending itself.
Baka na, patay ka dyan.
Wicked.
Patay din yung Magnus. Walang mana.
Laman.
Who we fighting?
Gago, wala na din mana. Ba't ganun? Walang minana ang buong Pilipinas.
Trending time.
Gago ka, Magnus!
Okay, okay. Ugat sa bilat. Namagana ang ugat sa bilat.
Oh yay. Go.
Gumana na, namagana.
No worries. Got heaps of them. Time to kill something.
Oh my god, ang lag, sobra.
Tayo
Hey,
hindi.
you can shot.
Sabi naman, na-deward ako.
Tatlo sila dito.
Gawin ko muna yung Arcanus
Always
ko
on
dito.
the trail.
Tatlo sa taas.
Rack off.
Tayo nyo yung spec. Sabi mo kuya, killbot.
Anyone
Ako lang
know
mag-isa nandito eh.
trails?
Tatling stocks pa naman dito.
Just follow my trail.
Yung camp.
Ay, ay, ay!
I'm keen.
Inspector level 5.
No, yeah.
Ito, wala akong skill.
Baka mag level 6 na to ha.
Yep.
Level 6 na,
Bakit
level
dito
6 na.
mag-nose?
Ano ko dyan? Sap-sap ng farm dito sa baba eh.
Listen,
Killing species sa baba eh.
hang on, of course. It's all on the way.
Pinarm ko na lang. Ayaw niya eh.
Where do you think you're going? Uh-huh.
Galing.
I don't normally go for footwear, but these are kind of nice. Yeah. Jeepers!
Ay, gago ko.
Drop your gold and run along then. My tails are staying. All matching up. This'll only hurt quite a bit. I'm under attack. Not yet.
Trabol!
Gogo, ang dami. 4.
You smell something. Flat out. No, this way. Paws are peddling. Yeah. Just adding on to perfect. Yeah, I see it. I'll lead the way. This way.
Ano, NK.
Leave it. I'll make you famous. Oh, success. I'm always on the right trail.
Yes.
Who we fighting? It's how I live. Now I'm the dodgy one. Dreadful time. Okay, now. How about just follow my tail. Listen,
Ayaw niya i-farm ko.
anyone know where we're going?
Nung nabi pa yung pinakamalit na camp.
You
Middle
couldn't
tower
stop
is
me.
under attack.
Stuck, all
Always a
stuck.
step ahead.
Wala, di ka abot.
No, this way. Good as gold. Worthless, useless gold.
Farm bill na yung ano.
One in the groove.
Respect. Puta na, na-deward pa yun. Sobrang pinag-isipan ko na yung warding ko.
Hey,
Wala ka! Sayara ako sa
scurry out.
ano. Kaya hindi ko nakikita. Ang ina mo, shabu pa. Ay, gabi, hindi ako inabunaspect. Sarap.
Release the pets. Did you see a birch move?
Koko, wala na akong ano. Scurry.
I'm king. Got heaps of it.
The enemy attacks your bottom tower.
May baka ko dun.
Radiant
Just follow
have
my
fortified
trail.
their structures
Talo tayo.
against attack.
May TP Sky.
Now,
May TP, no?
Wala ka tara.
The enemy attacks your bottom tower.
any blood trails? Wicked.
Your bottom tower is under attack.
Shit, nandito.
Wala akong TP.
What? This way?
Ang sipag mag-ano? Sipag mag-deward nung ano?
Nah, yeah.
Baba, grabe yung ano?
Called to battle. Not all
Kahit saan?
Hindi kaya. Grabe, sobrang lag.
Guangzhou. Shenzhen.
Wala na bago, hayop.
Yeah, nah, it's not. Uh-huh.
Tak na lang muna ako.
your top tower is under attack. Sparks that may blaze into a skirmish.
Orchid, first item.
No worries.
TP ako.
The enemy attacks your top tower.
Always was a bright spark. Ripper.
Bakit yata sila? May arcane rune, gago. May arcane rune.
Don't you
Naka-arcane rune? Sure kayo dyan? Puta ka na. Ayun na naman si MK.
Here's a no. Release hit.
Tang ina mo, ayoko na.
I'm game.
Yun o. Shabu pa. Ay, go, shabu pa.
Fish.
Pinumata, MK na naman. M. Shabu pa. Shabu pa, mga ulol.
Yeah.
To your bottom tower. The enemy's top tower brought to ruin.
Ito.
It's all on the way.
Oh,
Uh-huh.
TY kind, sir.
sabi niya sa akin. Pinalamon ko siya ng tango eh.
Always.
Saka nung ano eh. Lotus eh. Inan niya eh.
I'll lead the way.
Ina mo, sa bilat. Kala ko namamaga ka na. Di pa.
This way. Sweet as. I should
Hindi
get
mo.
heaps of these.
May stock ako kaya lang tagdalawa lang.
Hope I really
Tang, inaubos yung sentry ko.
what? This way. No worries.
Toyo.
Umabot pa yun.
Just follow my
Your middle tower faces
Ubus yung ano ko.
terrible test.
It's how I live.
Sentry.
That's the one. Around here?
Instant food na ako dyan sa ano ah. Hindi lang niya ako natatimingan. Respect.
Throw down your sword.
Fortified their structures against attack.
Probably the right way.
Bago, wala akong mana. May pamana ka ba dyan, Porch? Wala.
You smell something?
Pero patayin natin yun, no?
Wala akong mana, idol.
I'm always on.
Wala na, kung nung mababato ko, isang skill lang.
Look to your top tower.
Are you
Palag na, idol. Puputok din yan eh. Shabu pa. DK.
just follow my tail?
Gago, patay na naman si Ugot sa bilat. Mag-enroll ka na sa ano, Farmville.
When's the murder start? Shaka.
Ang hirap farmin nung baba.
Attacks your
May ano?
bottom tower.
May Spectre Orchid din.
Yeah.
Magano na kayo, force stop.
Yeah, I see it.
Wala. Bibili ako ng mail eh.
Got any scrog?
Dancer ako eh. Gusto ko to.
Hey, you! Did you see a
Parang may Shadow Blade na ako.
Want to play something?
Sino ba nag-smoke? Gago, nandiyan sila eh.
Gagong ganda ng RP!
Hintay ko na nga matapos eh.
Wala, steer mo pa
Bago
rin.
ako bumato. Oo nga, hinintay ko yung papalayuin niya eh. Hinintay ko na lang siya matapos ang combo. Buti na FF na. Yung combo nyo lang. Sabi, smoke pa tayo. Sila din lumapit eh, no? First stop. Ayaw ko pabili ng first stop ni Gabin. Gagot si Gabin ah.
Any blood trails?
Mga Daedalus yung gusto ko yan.
Tingnan natin. Mag-Gleipnir Daedalus daw ako eh. Sabi ni Gawin. Ha? Citrus Stone? GP yung bonus, idol. Man. GP yung bonus ako.
Tara, ano tayo? Sabi.
Tails is tails.
Sut.
No, no! Obsessor. One in the group.
Go, may gino.
Incoming!
Warded.
I'm king.
Warded triangle.
Now you tell me. How about a shortcut? Uh-huh. Trees. What's a
Break ko na yan. Aray!
Tara, gising.
Wala ba itong
Dali
katapusan?
ako ng ano.
Wala akong skills.
Ganda. Kaso monta nga yung MK.
always a step ahead.
Peace bump.
Trend in time.
Ah, sobrang lag, grabe.
No worries.
Nakonverge to.
It's how I live.
Kagaya siya.
This one
Putang ina mo, kulit mo
Aha.
kasi. Kulit mo kasi, nakita mo yun? Parang Oten, nung winawasiwas. Yun lang.
Did you see a punch move?
Dito yun, no? Ay, akati! Putang ina! FF ng Pinas! Kuya, banatan mo kuya. Inaaway ako niyan. Kuya, banatan mo. SB Blade. Yan. Banatan mo kuya. Tang ina. Banatan mo. Hanggat sa bilat.
Gago, nakuha niya pa yun? Dalawa?
Hanggat sa bilat. Pakita mo kung gaano ka. Atos. I don't like Atos.
I'll take that.
Ano maganda dito? Linkin.
Noise ako.
Ang sarap eh. Linkin. Ililinkin ko na lang kayo.
I could do this all day.
Ano item na ni-spec?
Top tower is under
Bamanta? Gago, ano naman, legit naman si Magnus. Juma Jobs dan. Malupit nga eh, no? Ultian ako dito ng spec. Ayun na.
Sige.
Ayun na, ni-swap.
It's all on the way.
Taas yung spec.
This way. Yeah, I throw some. Wicked.
Wala eh. Nandiyan yata sa'yo.
Oh, yeah.
Okay, charot. Nagpa-farm sila.
You couldn't stop me. Go, go, go. I'm keen.
Wala eh.
One in the groove. And I aim to please.
Gago, tatalunan ako.
Nothing
Charot.
to it. No, this way. Leave it. Ripper. Clear the right way.
Pitas-pitas lang sila.
The enemy's
Pause,
top
hit it.
tower has fallen.
Crouch. Hey, pull this card press it. Another one of these bloody things.
Is under attack.
Just follow my trail. Tail and
Umalis
trail.
na MK.
What?
So, farm.
Listen. Chill it, yeah? Yeah. Let's do this easy.
Gago, nag-hunt pala kayo. Hindi ako sa dito.
Time to kill something? Any blood trails?
Sorry dito eh.
I'll lead the way.
Gago, na-block ko.
Yeah, I see it.
Para ba sila dapat?
Just follow my tail.
Rumespect na
Push
sila,
natin yung mga
gago.
tower.
Rumespect na sila.
Yeah.
Hindi, push natin yung mga tower para umano sila. Lumaban. Hindi laban yan. Walang objective sila.
Run this way. Enough. Yeah. Got me
Tara,
scroll.
Mamatay ba ako
Paalalay
dito?
lang.
Mamatay ba ako dito, idol?
Radiant structure.
Eh, nasa likod, nasa likod! DK? Ano item?
Ano putol niya?
Oh, suss it.
Which layer?
Okay lang yan. Tara. Push natin, push natin, push natin, push natin.
Uh-huh.
Ayan, nagpanggap na.
Right up.
Paalalay ako pala. Glimmer.
When's the murder start? Nah, yeah. Takes a sec. And you'll know we were right.
Bottom tower is gone.
Wala, Lodi, wala.
I'm king. Now use murder. Gotcha!
Tower is under attack.
My tail's a sail.
Gago, lumayo na naman si MD King. Uy, gago, TP ako dyan. Huwag niyo akong iwan, Sir Chief. Warde dito eh.
Di.
Roshan ka na.
Check na kung top kuya.
Regen.
Rasyan tayo. Rasyan. Eh, gago. Patay siya.
Kunin, mamatayin.
Your top tower
Tara. Bang.
Uh-huh.
Wala na,
Your
idol.
top tower is under
Magpa-farm
attack.
yan sa triangle.
Who we fighting?
Balik mo kasi. Di alam mo wala lahat eh.
Rasyan tayo. Rasyan.
Piece of piss. Here's a happy little fella.
Tayo na walang tinalbugan ng
This
puta.
way.
Asa ba yung Rasyan sa top? Dito?
Ever seen someone bleed out in the mix? No?
Complete.
Wicked. Always on the right trail. Flat out. Yeah, I throw some shit. I'll be right.
Uy.
Umalis yung tunay.
Pause and peddling.
Warded. Nakita ka ba? Nakita ka kuya? Hindi.
Galing akong mid farm eh. Pero dito ako inanuhan.
Let's Yeah, I see it.
Hindi na ako tinalunan sa rune. dito 100. Nalo na ako eh.
That's the one.
Ay, lumaban eh. Mga gago yan eh. Palabanin natin.
What? This way?
Kanin mo, idol. Kanin mo.
Takes a sec. Rattle the
Your
dogs.
top tower is under attack.
Look at this clown.
Dire structures are fortified.
Go this way. Always a step ahead.
The
Hindi ko
enemy's
pa
middle
nakuha yung
tower
tier sheet.
Like my wrist.
Your top tower is under attack.
It's all on the way.
Your top tower is under attack.
Yeah. Rapper.
Wala yung DK na sa top.
Your top tower is under attack.
Kaya mo bang paluin yan? Dami nilang magic.
Tower has stabilized.
Got any scrog?
Bak tayo.
You couldn't stop me. I'll lead the way. Find the branch.
Hirap mag-solo. Tatalunan ako.
I'll suss it. Leave it. Always watch me walking. Time to kill something? Yeah. Uh-huh.
Yak ako pag warded dito.
Just follow my trail.
Ay, puti na. Gusto nyo na ano? Gusto nyo kumita ng pera?
This is my shout. I'm king.
Nakita mo yung gold swing sa graph.
Let's roast the assassins. Yeah.
So,
Yep.
eh, di na pala ako matatalunan ng speak. Hindi na ako eh.
Uh-huh. In blood trails.
Gat sa bilat. Ganun ka kahirap sa'yo binigay, idol?
Leave it.
Ba't trip yung mga kalaban natin ah? Saan
Chinese.
tayo? Saan tayo? Saan tayo?
Chinese Dota.
Pause it, peddling.
Ah, oh.
Nothing better than a boost. Ripper.
Makahuli na tayo isa.
Gap it.
To.
Uy, tangina mo, dinala na. Tangina mo, binato lahat. Wala lang charge.
I'm always on the blood trail.
Pwede yata hampasin yan.
Oh, pwede.
How about shotgun? What? I'll get over it.
First up pala.
Kaya natin clips.
Kita siya, gago.
Skewer.
Shabu pa, idol. Shabu pa. Galing kin ha, cooldown ha.
It's how I live. You smell something?
Hampasin mo pa ba?
Oo, skewer lang yan oh. Malakas tayo dyan.
I'm keen.
Paisa-isa lang.
See it.
Bago na ano siya.
Eh, back tayo.
Anyone know where we're going?
Wag na, ba diretso back? Uy,
Gago, wala na akong ano.
Wala ko meron pa.
Here we go again. This way. I'll suss it.
Depende lang.
Time to kill. Go, go, go!
Putang ina mo, warded dito, hayop. Ang lalim nun, paano nangyari yun? Idol.
Ang lag kasi, hindi ko makita yung damage ko eh.
Just follow my tail. Stay in the trees.
Warded yan, putang ina.
Got heaps of them.
Wala, paano ko nakita nun?
Shut. Wicked.
Sabi hindi warded? Fuck. Where?
Gago yun. Ayun, totoo pala oh. Bumalik.
Kulit-kulit mo eh, pakaway-kaway ka pa sa akin eh.
Who said you could stroll into my
Is
woods?
under attack.
No, yeah.
Gago, speak lang kasi yung napapatay natin eh. Yung hindi yung membro ng mga magic.
Si ano nga sana, si Lich yung ano niya,
Yun ang,
Maskiwer.
yun ang mga nagde-defend eh. Kanina namatay spec, wala namang bearing eh. Na-defend pa din nila.
No, yeah. This way looks clear.
Ano, Maskiwer ah?
Any blood trails? What I do is doing my part. Here's the moves.
Ayun, pwede na din yan.
Yeah.
Mabuhay na yung spec.
Listen. Gotta kill some fertilizer.
Pangilong mo, anong...
Sure. Tail, trail. No, this way.
Continue natin.
I'll take that.
River. Gap it. Route shot. Leave it. Hey, you wanna see something really cool?
Uy, sabi niyo, wait RS ha. Palmahan nyo ha. May spec na tumatalon ha.
Nothing to it. Did you see a branch move?
A basher pala eh.
Well, ain't this cute? No worries. Now you tell me. Scurry out of it.
Siya na ba?
Got ya. Either way.
Pangit naman, mas gusto ko may ano ko. 100 JP
Who we
ka.
fighting?
Mas cute.
It's all on the way.
Nasa baba ba?
Always something good.
Uy, ano to? Miss kayo burat?
Meron na ba? Meron na?
Wala pa.
Push. Right up.
Oh, bunis.
Who is it? Got ya. I'll suss it. What? This way?
Didi.
Ayun na, meron na res.
Yeah, I see it.
Yung tangin nagalit sa'yo, Pauls. Sorry ka. Sorry ka kay Rochan. Wala, hindi sila ko-contest.
My tail. Yeah. What is that? Yep. There's some
Ina,
abandoned
cooldown
ones in
pala.
this realm where I grew up.
Tayo daw, super play safe.
Finding it,
Oh, what?
pretty close to doing my part. I don't want to,
Tayo ba?
but they sure
Tayo
as
ba yung super play safe?
Lalaro lang naman tayo ng normal.
Structures are fortified.
Ang ina mo, Magnus.
Sabi, wala siyang
Panic ka. Bye ba? Kapul gago.
not here. Spruce the place up a bit.
Wala na yung ano, chain cross.
Gago, di ako nakapag-BKB!
Uh-huh.
Ubus yung creeps natin, di ko alam bakit. Ano, kanina pa yan eh. Pag-skill mo yung glitch niyan, hindi makapag-dep yan. Bagal ng kamay. Oh, yan.
That's what. Takes a sec.
Hindi na naman ako makapatay sa laro na to kaya wala akong dami.
Yeah.
Bottom tower
Am I
is
here in here? Or neither here nor there? Now because of Dodo. I'm king.
Kung makakapatay. Bibili ang Daedalus kaya, no?
Any blood trails?
Sinang
Just
Bloodborne?
follow my tail.
Patay na ito tayo.
Just follow my trail. It's how I live. Just about. You smell something? Go, go, go!
Ordered oh.
I'm Shane.
Ano ba yun? Walang vision ba yan? Yung second ni Sky?
Anyone know where we're going?
Baka nakita ka sa
Global
link.
yan.
Now I'm the dodgy.
Oo nga, walang vision.
Nakita ba siya sa lane? Pero parang delay yung isang
Hindi ko
kinas
nakikita
eh.
eh.
Malayo siya
Ano
nung
ko eh.
nag-cast, kaya tumapa lang nasa pag
I did it right way.
Ba't hanggang ngayon meron ulit?
Oh?
Scurry out of it.
Ano, oh Pauls, sagutin mo.
Baka mag-cheat yan. Ha? Pwede kaya natin.
Always.
Oh, tinan mo.
Pero si ano hanggang ngayon eh. Gago, kanina pa siya umalis sa ano eh.
Meron pa rin ako.
Sa vision ng creeps.
One in the group.
Oh, ayun oh.
Time to kill something? What's this? Bleed out in the net?
Hindi na tali agad.
Let's get
Kanina pa ako tinatamaan, gago.
Oo mo na paraan.
Ano meron?
Tawag mo sa customer service.
worried.
Hindi pwedeng ganyan, boss.
Flat out.
Hindi pwedeng ganun.
I usually like my trees to myself, but I'll make an exception.
Sabi nito ko itong ilan to. Mute nyo nga si Spec. I-report nyo nga. Ayaw kayo mga nagsasalita. Talo na nga eh.
Yeah, I see it. This way.
Pina-BKB ka pa, ano?
When's the murder start? Drinking time.
Tagal pa ng Roshan.
Now you tell me. This way looks
Oh, I
clear.
feel better already.
You always feel clear. You couldn't stop me. I'm on it. Nah, yeah. Leave it. That's the one. Wow! Oh, sus it.
Go. Wala. Sa
Nga,
taas.
hindi nga papakitin.
How about a shortcut? Here's a happy little fella. I'll lead the way. It's what I do.
Go.
I've been
Portal na.
pushed.
Ay, gago ito.
Yan.
Push. Like, yeah, I'll throw some shit.
Ayun, no? BKB gago.
Punch it, wait a second.
Doon sa back.
Patay na yun.
Ano natin yung courier ko?
What the hell is wrong with this one?
Ah, ano?
And it just
Tormento?
fails.
Middle shield.
Gago! Nakatakas! Ang tagal naman na ilo nun.
Scrub.
Bato na lahat ng stand dun eh.
It's all on the way.
Tagal ng ilo.
Yeah. Wicked. Prepare for pain. Sure.
Roshan. Siguro ba kayo akit kayo?
What? This way.
Oh,
Tail and trail.
siguro na.
Yeah. Hunting.
Radiant structures are fortified.
Gago. 40.
Ripper. Nothing to it. Hey, did you hear? Just follow my trail. Wow!
Ito!
Nah, yeah. Bad
Okay lang
intel.
mag-lose natin.
I'll throw some shade. Blood trails.
Bago ng Magnus! Ay, isang skewer lang yan eh.
Tumihino. Wala na, teka na. Ito! Ito nga. Ignore ka. Pinagtampal-tampal eh.
Just follow my trail.
Uy, ano yun?
Okay na yan.
Ano yun? BKB. Bakla ka ba?
Anyone know where we're going?
Roshan na eh.
Hang on, of course. Leave it.
Wala, okay to. Basag to. Wala yung Spectre nasa top.
Tail and trail.
Sige. May ulti yan eh. Saglit lang cooldown yun eh.
Wala rin BKB-DK.
Spruce this up.
Gago, ganda! Boom! Boom!
Now the fight resumes. But will it follow the same thread?
You couldn't stop
The
me.
enemy's bottom barracks has fallen.
This way looks
Enemy's
clear.
bottom barracks crumbles.
Always a step ahead. Now I'm the judge. Put you in the space. I'll suss it. the one. What an egg! Watch it.
The enemy's top tower falls to oblivion.
Crimson time. Rattle the dawn. Here's a no worries.
The enemy's top barracks has fallen.
Not
The
yet.
enemy's top barracks has fallen. You now have mega creeps. Loyal servants, granted
My tails
strength
are
in the
still-
final hour.
Pause headlock.
Tira mo mangyayari dito ha. Tira mo mangyayari dito.
The enemy's middle tower can withstand no more. The enemy's middle tower can withstand no more.
One in the group. Piece of piss.
To the dire go the spoil.
Pag ako hindi MVP dyan nila. O kaya si Opols. Putang ina.
Bukas na ako. Nabubuisit ako sa ano. Converge. Sobrang lag.
Comment natin ang tropahan. Comment natin. Tinrestock nila eh.
Hindi ka naglalag, Paul?
Hindi naman.
Yung laro kanina hindi
Lag ako
ako.
sobra.
Yung laro ngayon hindi ako naglag eh. Yung laro
Kanina may lag.
Yung laro ng hapon. Yung laro nung hapon naglalag ako na eh.
Papakit loss ako. Hindi ko makita yung damage ko. Ilan? G mo na ako, GG.
Tatrastroin ko muna sila. Ano mo?
GG kuya.
GG.